in before because
Why?
women are physically weak.
Strong.
Physically weak.
and mentally strong.
So,
I said.
Society has a that nature.
In present time-
all things all
Because they are
emotionally weak, so they are ready to cry because they have victim card. They cry and they get benefit.
No,
Simple
no.
as that.
So you accepted we are mentally and physically strong? Accept it.
Woman body.
Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning. Say good morning, everyone.
I'm Shweta Gupta.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Anita.
They have mic.
Good morning everyone. My name is Krish.
Good morning. Good morning, bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Atul Bhardwaj. Hello. So as we sir says, today's topic are girls versus boys. So we are in the side of boys. So let us first we start because we are dominate the world.
Last time the topic is the dominating society of India, male dominating society. So, firstly I said that in India, male are so our society is depend on male because women are last time early years women are in our homes only. Parents are not want to that they are study and they work and they are go to out of our home. This is the reason, main reason of the our girls are back side, I think.
Answer.
So do you think why that was happened?
Speak. Use proper mic and speak proper.
Yes.
Yes.
So do you think why that was happened in before? Because
Why?
women are physically weak, as you mentioned before.
Women are physically weak only this is the research.
No, you said
Nahi,
when you sit here, you
Yes.
said this.
No, I said the question.
You said this कि women are mentally
Mentally strong,
physically
weak and mentally strong. I said
women were not crying,
women are
not crying.
not crying. Yes, they do.
So do you agree कि men not crying?
Speak loudly, buddy. The mic is okay. That you can speak loudly. She can listen you.
Sir, this is my first time, sir.
Okay.
So be cooperate.
Okay. That's okay. Fine. Cooperate.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, why are you interrupting me?
Okay, you can.
Yes, you
can
try.
take time. Okay.
So recently as we seen that the our government increased their reservation in their Lok Sabha. So can you explain why this is happen?
Because women are last time they are not.
Because
Last time I said that reason that behind of I think this only this.
I think this reason is that because girl has not that much clearance to face this society.
No. This is not
This is happen. Can you give example? There is only a one female PM who also become because of his come from Gandhi family. I think if he is not come from Gandhi family, we experience no girl can become a PM. Why this is happen? Can you think in the politics they are not women's, but they are happen, but they are not getting that level which boys had.
what is you thinking about our क्या बोलते हैं राष्ट्रपति president.
Yes, president is
What is you thinking about it?
president is a
Only she is not member of the Gandhi family.
yes, he is not come from that background, but the thing is that their background is from a क्या कहते हैं
She is the tribal.
हाँ, tribal
But
community.
This is the दिस इज द कि साबित करता है.
Prove that.
But
This
the
is
matter is
proof
that
woman is.
but matter is that he is not directly elected. Who is directly elected? PM. And who is dominating there? Man. So can you explain that? Why is that happen?
ये तो डिपेंड करता है. नेक्स्ट.
In past time, in our politics, like you said that Lok Sabha mein, in Lok Sabha there is no woman, but that is wrong.
There is woman, but
Like
the matter is
Fatima
that
Bibi,
what is the
Leela Seth is
percentage, and in the journal there almost a 50% woman, but
Yeah.
in the Lok Sabha what is the percentage? Only a 14%, 15%. What is the matter before that?
Because in earlier times, women was not allowed to exit their home for education, for your career. They
But-
can only allow that household work.
But why
And as a housewife.
why they should choose that? In our ancient time, in the Indus Valley civilization, the women are
Because
demonizing. But
our
why?
society forced them.
But if someone force you get that force. If you get that force, society has that nature.
In present
all things all are force you. But you get that force and you get in a room because of that force. So this is your wrong things, not ours. So can you explain that?
Because in earlier times, our society thought that men are able to any work, women are able to only household chores as a wife, and in बाल विवाह जैसे child marriage. In 12 and 13-year-old they get married.
So in that
That's a mentality of our society.
This is not force. You are not capable to fight. You are not capable to fight.
No, that is not reason.
Because the research are said that women are not physically the men, but mentally is fit.
अच्छा, so
But
woman
for
is better than
everything
men
that-
in mentally.
how
Yes.
how
Yes.
much they use their mental.
Because every doctor, every engineer, in the society, only the women birth and take care of the children and upbringing them. She is the strongest.
Like you mentioned, woman is mentally strong.
Yes.
So she crying, mood swings, you know.
This is only
Like-
hormonal changes.
Like they were crying. They do like always sad.
No, not always sad.
Yes.
They do everything.
Like I don't know perfect lines. When they are debating, I hear like women sometimes emotionally weak, but I never seen a man who are emotionally
No,
weak.
never.
Boys
Up-
I never
Boys
seen.
also.
I never seen.
Boys also-
If we are,
Any boy,
we never
Yes.
showed everyone.
Yes.
it's impossible.
पूछो.
Yes,
we
answer.
Also like sometimes we feel sad. We
Oh,
feel
so-
emotionally weak,
so
but
you show everyone?
We have quality to hide them. We are not.
Women also.
We are
No.
not like
Women
we are
women
not
also
going to
have.
do drama like Rakhi Sawant. We are very strongly mentally and we take decisions. We fight them with our fear. But
What
mostly
about
when they
Rakhi
are
Sawant?
emotionally weak, so they ready to cry because they have victim card. They cry and they get benefit.
No,
Simple
no.
as that.
So you accepted we are mentally and physically strong. Accept it.
Woman body react according to situation.
Yes.
Accept it or not.
This is hormonal changes only.
Like we have power to hide our feelings.
Mentally also we can be weak according to situation, but we have power to hide them. And
They are not. They have
They are
not.
not. They are ready to.
So why we are
play
debating?
victim card.
Why we are debating if we are mentally and physically strong?
You are saying that boys are mentally strong?
Yes.
Okay. If any incident, a tragic incident happened with a family, the boy won't cry. If if having an age of 60, 65, 70, your grandfather would die, you will not cry just because you are mentally strong.
Yes.
You'll hide your emotions.
Yes.
That's not mentality strong. That's the ego a male is having. That yeah, we are male, we'll not cry in front of anyone.
It's not the
Like
It's a ego.
if you are a big male child big male in your home.
Say it's not a ego, it's our quality.
Yes.
You don't cry. You don't cry in like सबके सामने. In front of everyone.
We are not ready to do drama like Madari.
Madari is also a male person.
Yes.
Jungler.
But
Yes.
just because they want to. go
Sadly, it's a
some-
man's world. We run the society.
Where it's mentioned that men run the society. Our president is a
So
female. She's in
we are sitting in the classroom.
You give birth a child.
Like
Who is the powerful?
No.
Why run the society? This is the main concept to girl.
But the family is run by only for females.
But who is earning outside? In raining season, in too much hot.
Girls as well.
Girls also. Girls also.
If a girl has been in professional, she matters.
Yes.
Makeup on their face, simple as that.
who's take you in the hospital after pregnancy?
Your mother can, your sister can help you.
No,
If someone is not.
no, no one can support you. Like your husband.
It's not mandatory that
No.
male.
Your mother cooks for you. Na?
No.
You cook yourself.
Huh?
After marriage, only one person.
The officer who posted at our border, his wife is in pain. Then he come early on that time.
Yes.
That time.
How is it possible?
Like if it possible. you have to
Then
come.
when he come, then she was delivered her child.
So you want
Not only the male drive the society, female.
woman only runs the house. Male runs the society.
You are wrong.
This is true.
You are wrong.
is
This is
true.
your mentality only. This is wrong. Totally wrong.
I think your male ego is hard.
Your
Ask
male
the
ego is
question
hard.
to males.
If there would be no female, there would be no male. Simple topic closed.
Topic close.
How will you run the society if your
Yes.
mother didn't give birth to you?
And how mother can give birth without their husband?
This is personal.
Most of the lady.
Sir, we are not going personal, sir.
Yeah.
This is depend on our situation. This is depend on
We are
So
so
this is also depend on the
We
situation.
question
It depend on the
I give an example in the India, out of the world so many of the examples, but in India Neena Gupta is the best example for this, and Sushmita Sen also the example.
Yes.
Who is Neena Gupta?
I heard
Neena
about
Gupta is
Neena
an
Gupta.
actress,
He's
and
an-
Sushmita Sen is the our universe
First Miss Universe.
for universe.
Who also grow at two.
You I think you know about her.
I also want for a voice.
This is the only male ego.
That's it.
This is our
it's our quality, not ego.
देखना ही नहीं चाहता.
You mentioned that. You mentioned that only.
They don't want to look at.
Males don't see the females
Sir, I was
qualities.
asking, like,
Don't
Ma'am
see.
was saying something about like security, like one person he was doing like his duty there, so that's why he couldn't come on birth.
I
So, ma'am, he was-
answered their
No, I
question.
have one question.
Only the answer that he questioned.
Ma'am, he was doing his duty just because for us. Mostly in army, also you can see
only-
men they are there. That's why
You
we are
also
here.
saw last 26th January parade. There is a many girls candidate who do actions
And how many numbers?
There
Matter
is
is
so
that.
much numbers.
Like there are 1% of women.
Till when the government.
Only 1%.
Government, no 1%.
Okay, 2%.
Not a 2%.
Okay.
You please
Next.
react first.
Okay, clapping for them.